No, we miss nyo to lahat, lalo na si Joanna. Alam ko minanifest niya to.
Thank you for representing the Philippines! We love you, Bini! Hello, Bini! Congrats sa inyo and good luck sa Coachella. Galingan niyo lang palagi! Congrats, Bini! We're so excited to watch you on Coachella. We always knew that you were meant for that stage.
Break a leg, Bini! Let's go!
Hello, mga ates ko! Galingan nyo talaga. Talaga namang galingan nyo talaga. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, masasabi ko lang ay...
Sobrang excited ako at proud ako sa inyo agad-agad.
I wish I could be there, but I'm with you guys there in spirit. I'll see you guys when you're back. Good luck.
Man, we're very proud of you. We love you.
Sobrang proud na proud ako. Hanggat nandyan kayong walang makakatalo.
I just want to say that we are so proud of you guys. Thank you for making us Filipinos proud and for raising our flag globally. God bless you guys and more power. Maraming salamat.
Good luck, Beanie. I'm going to be one of the blooms, one of the very many blooms in the crowd, and I will bring our tarpaulin if I can.
May pa lang, congratulate ko na kayo sa magiging performance niyo sa Coachella.
And I just want to congratulate and wish you guys good luck dahil magpe-perform kayo sa Coachella!
Congrats and good luck sa Coachella. Alam ko na i-slay nyo yan.
We are beyond proud of you guys. We are very, very excited for you guys to be able to perform in that big, big stage. And
hi, Bini! Gusto ko lang sabihin na super proud kami sa inyo. Congrats in advance and good luck sa Coachella.
Hi, Bini! Congratulations and good luck sa performance niyo sa April sa Coachella.
Everyone from the Biniverse, I just wanted to show my support and how proud I am that Bini will be on the Coachella stage this coming summer.
Good luck sa Coachella.
Good luck and God bless.
We are also proud of you. Kaming nasa show business, proud na proud kami sa inyo. Ibang klaseng milestone to.
Yes, binabati po namin ang Beanie!
Congratulations! Hindi lang kami ang proud sa inyo, kundi ang buong Pilipinas at ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
God bless sa performance nyo. Alam namin na marami kayong mapapasay dyan sa Coachella. Congrats!
Hi, Bini! Congratulations! Yeah! We wish you a very smooth, successful, and happy performance and a very nice trip.
Yes, you guys deserve it. Simula pa lang ito na mas marami pang mas magagaling ng bagay na mangyayari sa inyo. Tiwala kayo sa sarili niyo and you guys are the best.
And Beanie, so proud of you guys. Taas niyo ang bandera ng Pilipinas.
Oo nga, Bini. Basta huwag niyo akong kakalimutan. Basta lupo na. Congrats! Let's go!
Gusto ko lang i-wish kayo ng good luck and all the best. You make us really, really proud.
Hello, Bini! Congratulations!
Congratulations and good luck po sa inyong Coachella performance.
We are proud of you.
Viva Prize! Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino! Hey!
Very, very proud of you. And when you step on that stage, don't just perform with your feet, perform with your hearts. Okay? Yung pusong Pinoy. God bless you. I believe in you. I love you. I'm here for you. We are here for you always, Bini.
Hi, Bini! On behalf of the whole band, gusto lang namin sabihin na sobrang congratulations and good luck. You'll really shine bright dyan sa Coachella. And all of us here at buong Pilipinas ay behind you.
Congratulations sa inyo. Excited na kami sa performance inyo. Enjoy every second of it.
Oh, we're so proud of all of you guys. Thank you for representing the Philippines. Kill it.
I know you can do it. Matagal na yung hinintay ito, so ito na yung moment na yun. Super happy ako, guys. I love you all.
I would like to congratulate Beanie, of course, for being able to perform sa Coachella. Congratulations sa inyo.
Congratulations and good luck, Beanie!
Sa pagpunta na sa Coachella, and we're so proud of you.
Ipagmalaki ang talentong Pilipino.
Congratulations and good luck, Bini, sa inyong Coachella performance. We are so proud of you. Laban, Bini! Laban!
Good luck, girls! Stay healthy.